If you look at the news, you always see some sort of like massive data leak or ransomware attack.
These attacks are no longer rare and isolated. They are constant.
Cybersecurity is so vital because it's something that's always needed.
People put their blood, their sweat, and their tears into what they do in life, and a single cyber attack can easily wipe that out.
Miami provides a lot of hands-on experience and gives us real-world experience.
We're taught to break and then rebuild. Understanding how to do these things really helps you to understand what you're defending against. And
currently, I'm in a project where we have to work with actual clients for cybersecurity.
The students monitor our campus network and respond to these real-world threats.
During my internship last summer as a cybersecurity analyst, it was really all of the labs and the projects at Miami that gave me the skills to be successful.
So it really feels like a very personable experience, like the teachers actually care about you.
At Miami University, when we're training for cybersecurity, we're training to protect real people.
We're learning about defending the threats of our world.